Howes with TR Homes.
And I'm Ronnie Cope with TR Homes.
Here we're at 870 Bette Avenue in Cupertino.
This fully renovated home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and sits on just 6,500 square feet.
Let's go take a look. Seamless engineered hardwood floors, a beautiful chef's kitchen with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances.
And don't forget about those top-rated Cupertino schools. Thank you so much for touring with us today. If you'd like to schedule a private tour, contact us directly.
We look forward to hearing from you soon.